Happy Friday, everyone. It's Pippa Curry here, Account Manager for FarmIQ. And for this week's Feature Friday, I'm going to go into drawing a feature on the map. So features can be used on the map for really anything that you visually want to see. You can turn these layers on and off. So what I'm going to do today is some troughs, but you can really use it for water lines and anything else that you want to see on the map. So if I head into Draw and Edit in the bottom right here, and I'm going to go into Features, and I'm going to add a feature group. So this feature group is going to be my troughs because I've got more than one. So I can see troughs there. I'm going to use a dot, but you can see that you've got the ability to put a dot, a line, or a shape, and choose a color as well. So I'm going to do a nice blue for my water troughs. Now this is the feature itself, so each feature needs to have its own individual name so that we can come and edit it and see what they are later. So I'm going to call my first trough just T1, and I'm going to zoom in onto the map and plonk it there. Now I click Save, and we can see that I've got one trough on the map. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these troughs here, add new feature now that I already have that initial feature group, and I'm going to name it T2. And I'm going to pop it, let's say here. Save, and now you can see I've got both troughs on there. So the way that feeds through is if I just close out of this initial kind of drawing area of FarmIQ, you can see that they haven't popped up on the map. So this is a layer that we need to turn on. So if I click Layers over here, you can see Features, and I'm going to tick Troughs, and now I can see them on FarmIQ. We can also save these views. So if you wanted to turn on and off layers and have them saved or printed or send them to whoever needs to see them, you've got that ability as well. So that's adding a feature onto FarmIQ, and I hope you guys have a good weekend. Cheers.